Game in Parma, Zebre welcome the Scarlets. Zebre make 6 changes to the starting 15 since round 16 and the loss to Edinburgh. Fischetti and Krumov add experience to the pack. Ruggeri played all across the back row, but he starts at 7. Argentine Garcia gets the nod at 9. Luca Morisi, the 50-cap man, returns from injury at 13. And Lorenzo Pani scored against Wales in the Six Nations, gets a chance against another team in red this evening. Now we have Zebre Parma. The Scarlets make only 2 changes since the loss at home to Ulster. They led 6-3 at half-time, yellow cards cost them in that clash. Alex Craig, the man who's made a big impression this season with his work rate, is in the boiler house. Tupilotu, top tackler with 24 last week, and a try against Ulster, starts at 8. Davis, a live wire at 9, looked to avoid a yellow card. The other change, big change. Here we go then. Round 17 of the BKT United Rugby Championship is underway in Parma. Nothing to gain, nothing to lose in the case of race to the 8 for these two.
And it's not the prettiest at the moment, but it's effective. Zebre just going through the phases, trying to choose their moment.
Oh, that is a big moment, and I think Giovanni Licata has got that down. The hand is now in the air from referee Sam Grove-White. Super start from Zebre. They lead 5-0. Captain leading by example.
Yeah, leading by.
It's some effort from the Scarlets, some effort from the Zebre defence as well. Tupilotu brought to the ground, he goes again. Lucky not to get penalised there. Alex Craig picks around the blind. One pass, that's the difference. Plumtree with the pass. The finish by Ryan Elias. I think there were moments in that. An extra little twist, it helped him there a little bit to get ball presentation. I don't know if it's just me, you know, the Scarlets getting a little bit isolated sometimes.
Tiny bit, but they're up in the gear anyway in attack there. Just looking that little bit sharper, more so than Zebre, but yeah, on a couple of occasions, if Zebre decide to go for the ball, the opportunity is there at the ruck.
Zebre being quite cute here, I think, at many a ruck, just a little bit slow to move away as Tommy Lewis leaves his wing. I like to see wingers do that, come looking for the ball. Elias with a big charge. Good contest by Zebre on the floor. James. The Scarlets just need to show a better pattern potentially after that 5, 6, 7 phases of play. Out the back door, Combia, can he free his hand? Yes, he can. Gareth Davis dots the ball down, the whistle goes for the try. We might see it again at Parma, thanks to this beautiful offload, really. You can pick that one yourself. Forward, flat, back. Ian McKinley, I'll leave this one to you.
I love the invention from Plumtree, trying to do the right thing. Great support line from Gareth Davis.
Now it's Zebre on the attack. Garcia had to carry that one. They just overrun it, and that's gone backwards, and Stabile does well on the floor. Left his wing, using his wing forward ability to win that one. And the Scarlets penalised for not rolling away. Straightforward 3-pointer. Zebre 10, Scarlets 12. And Ian McKinley's bang on there, just take the points. By Eddie James, vital tackle. But the Scarlets are under pressure again. Hassa with the carry. Craig will have to move quicker than that. Oh. He'll argue he couldn't go anywhere, but because the ball was contained. Montemauri, relatively simple again. No problem. Zebre 13, Scarlets 12, 28 minutes on the clock in Parma. Well, it's a good contest. Licata has to work for it, he picks it, gets scragged by Gareth Davis. But here comes Zebre through replacement Paya. Garcia. Jerry with a carry, that's an intercept from Gareth Davis. Oh, he takes his foot off the gas. He's got to keep his eyes open though. It's a 3rd try for the Scarlets, a 2nd for Gareth Davis, and he is an interception expert.
Brilliantly read. Could have seen it a mile away. The ball wasn't that quick and shoots up out of the line. And the reason that he's able to shoot out of the line, take nothing away from him, was Scarlets had so many men on their feet. They got dominant. They got a dominant tackle. Previously, the ruck was slow. And I'm sure Jared Payne, the defensive coach, will be delighted with that. You see, they've got men aplenty there to be able to blitz up, and one for the learning books from Monty Maori for sure, and one he will not want to see again.
He scored the Scarlets' first try of the evening. They're looking for a bonus point try. Plumtree, crucial for the Scarlets in the first half. Lloyd, that's a good ball. James, Tommy Lewis, he's got the gas to go on the outside and stretches. Super finish from the young in Parma. Bonus point try for the Scarlets.
Yeah, complete reversal from the first half where Zebre came out of the blocks. Scarlets, great patience again against Avile, just getting caught out a little bit.
And the Scarlets are back to where they were. Good pick and go. Fischetti just short of the line. Hasser, he's not going to pass, is he? Goes one way, burrows over. Super try from Mohamed Hasser. Zebre getting themselves back into this game.
And that's exactly what Trula has done.
He has. Well, it's a victory for the Scarlets, a bonus point victory. And you've got to credit them, Ian, in the second half. I think they, as you said, controlled the game.
100% deserved it.